Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sello. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, do make sure that you do share this video. So, EFF leader Julius Malema was in the province of KwaZulu-Natal today visiting the Nazareth Baptist Church in Nongoma. The church, which is owned by leader Shembe, who was also there today. You guys, now Julius Malema, of course, is receiving a lot of backlash and heat, you guys, as people were questioning rather, his motives for visiting the church and visiting um, the leader, as Julius Malema once, dragged Shembe to filth, comparing him to some dirty leader back then in the day. And they were saying that today, when Julius Malema, you are in KZN, you clearly have a motive. So what is your motive? Someone said to Julius Malema that his motive is actually to win the hearts of a lot of KZN followers. You guys, they were saying to Julius Malema that you are actually here to fish for followers and nothing more. So the EFF wrote this and said the EFF leadership, which is led by President Julius Malema, visited Unyazi Zulu at the Nazareth Baptist Church in Nongoma, KwaZulu-Natal earlier today. At Shembe today, we witnessed African spiritual discipline, unity and power, the same values the EFF upholds in the fight for total liberation. And of course, someone was quick to, tell Julius Malema and says that, Brew, this is your strategy. You're just here to fish for, followers, nothing else. What are you talking about when you're talking about spiritual what crap? This person came onto the comment section and said this. This is a well calculated and strategic move. That's unseen political maturity. Unbelievable. Long life to Sello Julius Malema. Guys, what do you think about this whole thing? Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Make sure that you do subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.